How to make $500 million the fastest way possible. This video is going to blow your mind. Okay, I've got a banger for you guys today. Seriously, I'm going to talk about two companies. One that sold for over $500 million. One that literally sells water in a beer can for $700 million. $700 million they sell water in a beer can. And I'm going to talk about how this relates back to crypto and Bitcoin and all the stuff you care about and how you can make the most money possible. I've got a banger video planned for you. So I'm going to make my face big for 1 second to beg something from you. Please smash the like button. Please share this with someone if you get value from it. That's the only way that this channel grows, and I would really, really appreciate it. And the last thing I need from you guys is if you ever want to make money in your life, or if you lost money in crypto this year, click the link below the video when you're done watching this video. Go watch how to make it all back in crypto while doing zero work and being unable to screw it up. Seriously, I made this video. It's freaking awesome. Yes, it's a sales video, but the thing that I'm selling you has a 300% money back guarantee. And it's freaking awesome, and it's gonna help you make a ton of money. Okay, so go watch it. Click the link below. I promise you it's gonna blow your mind. I wouldn't do a 300% money back guarantee, guys, and put all this effort in this stupid video if it wasn't gonna help you. I promise you this is gonna help you. I'm so pumped. So click the link below. It's also in my Twitter bio. Okay, let's talk about it. Let's talk about freaking selling water out of a beer can and getting a valuation of $700 million. Let's talk about Lululemon literally buying a mirror that helps you work out for $500 million. Because I've been thinking about this, guys. We're in this crazy bear market for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not going up. You know, it's just, I've been thinking about, like, there are other ways to make money. You guys don't understand this because you probably found me when I was just talking about altcoins and everything, but I'm an entrepreneur. You know, like, I haven't started a $700 million brand, but I've started a 8-figure brand. I've started a company that is worth over $10 million. And I've started many other smaller companies that are worth millions as well. So I know what I'm doing. I haven't created a company like this yet, but I want to. This is my goal, because at the end of the day, guys, I'm going to give you a little secret here. This is a little secret. You can make a lot more money as an entrepreneur versus as an investor. You realize that investors, the only thing that they're doing, right, is they are investing in entrepreneurs. Like, who got richer, okay? Was it the people that invested in Tesla, or was it Elon Musk? Elon Musk. Who got richer here? Was it the people that invested in Lululemon or invested in Mirror? Or was it the founder of Mirror who sold this thing for $500 million and has $500 million cash in the fucking bank right now? That's insane. The founder. It's just a normal girl. She has an amazing story. Go look up her story. It's incredible. Who got richer in this deal here? This CEO who created the water in a beer can and it's worth $700 million now? Or the people that invested in it? Obviously, the founder. The rewards go to the people who actually do the shit, guys. And so I've done, as being an entrepreneur now and in the past and all that stuff. The only thing that Bitcoin does when it's boring like this is it makes me want to just go and start another business and make money the real way. Because in my opinion, the real way to make money is to start a business. The real way to make money is to control your shit. You can't control the price of Bitcoin. You can just wait. We all know where it's going, and that's why I think you should go and check out this video, because it really is the best way to make money if you are going to be investing. And I'm also going to put videos in here about, you know, startups and stuff. Never mind. We're not going to talk about that. What we're going to talk about is what people don't understand about this. Okay, so how did they do this? I've been thinking about this so much, because, like, beer cans, water in a beer can. What is the problem that they solve? Let's talk about that, number one. Okay, what problem was solved here by serving water out of a beer can and making $700 million? Well, first and foremost, the problem is that when you're at a party with your friends, everyone's drinking and you don't want to drink because you got to work in the morning, blah blah blah. You want to appear that you're drinking. That's a problem. And they solved it by putting it in this cool can, calling it liquid death, and you're drinking water. So it's a talking point, it's funny, and also it solves the problem of not looking weird at parties. It's a $700 million obvious problem. Think about that. It's very obvious in hindsight, but clearly no one had seen it before this guy. Same thing with this Lululemon buying mirror thing. People don't want a giant exercise bike in their living room. Duh! They don't want a stupid effing giant bike in their kitchen because it's too big. They want something small and compact that looks cool and modern in a normal house that will help you work out, that is customized for working out, and it allows you to have a boutique fitness experience inside your house. It's very obvious in hindsight, but clearly this was a secret that sold for $500 million. So the question you need to be asking yourself if you made it this far in the video is, how do we find these secrets? How can I find the next thing like this? Because it's the quickest way to generational wealth. This is wealth If you're like, oh, I don't care about this video, all I care about is crypto, pay attention. Because this is the quickest way to transform your life, your kid's life, your grandkids' life. Generational wealth is created by $700 million, by selling Mirror for $500 million. Generational wealth will be created over a long period of time by investing in Bitcoin, sure. But if you want to make it a lot faster, you got to pay attention to what I'm about to say. There's this book called 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. You should check it out. It's incredible. 0 to 1, Peter Thiel. I've been talking about it for a couple days now. It's great, okay? However, I'm just going to give you the secret from the book, literally, and it's about secrets. There are many more secrets in our world that are waiting to be found. The question of how many secrets exist in our world is roughly equivalent to how many startups people should start. Woo! That is good, man. If you go read the book, there's a lot more quotes right here. He basically talks about how every time we create something new, we go from 0 to 1. He's saying that these good companies, they don't like improve on something that already existed or blah, blah, blah. They create something totally new, and that's how they go from 0 to 1 so fast. And these examples are going from 0 to 1. She created something new and she made $500 million. He created something new and he made $700 million. He didn't just say, oh, I'm just going to like improve on something that exists. Blah, blah, blah. Like it was something totally new and innovative. And what he's saying, and he ties it all together in the book, but I just did for you in 2 seconds, you're welcome, is that secrets are the key. The secrets. It's a secret hiding in plain sight that allowed these companies to grow so fast. He found the secret. The secret was that people don't want to feel awkward and they want to drink beer, but they can't drink beer. They don't want to drink freaking Trulies that actually have alcohol in them. They want to drink water, but they want to feel cool. That was the secret. The secret here was that people wanted to work out but not have a giant exercise bike in their room. Boom, $500 million. So these secrets exist. And what Peter Thiel is saying is that the question of how many secrets exist in our world is roughly equivalent to how many startups people should start. He's basically saying if you can't find a secret that no one else is talking about, a secret that you have figured out that is different, that can take a company from 0 to 100 real quick, Drake, 0 to, I just did a Drake quote, you're welcome, then you shouldn't be starting a company. And so my thought is like, where do we start to look for these secrets? And the real answer is all around you. Like Liquid Death, this was obvious all around us. Mirror, this was all around us, right? Where's the next thing? I'm always looking ahead. Where's this go? Where's this go? One thing that I'm seeing right now is AI, obviously. Okay, like this is just for free. You're welcome for watching till the end of the video. Smash the like button if you like this. But like yesterday, I uploaded like 20 selfies. I uploaded 20 selfies to a piece of software, and it came up with these pictures. Can you believe this? It came up with this in like 20 minutes. Like these are insane. Like graphic designers are out of a job. Look at this. Like all my thumbnails are going to be totally different now, guys. Cause like, look at these pictures. Look at that. That's me. All I did was I took 20 pictures of myself literally like in this outfit. Boom. Like just like this. And it created that. That is so cool. That's the coolest picture I've ever seen of myself. Look at this. And this. And this. And this. This is all computer generated, AI generated. So AI is clearly the future. You've probably seen these go. Look at that one. That's hilarious. You guys have probably seen these going around. But my thing is, what business is going to be made on top of this technology, right? It's kind of cool. You can make a profile picture awesome. Like that app that's doing this, I think it's called Lenza. They're making a shit ton of money, right? Obviously. But what other businesses are going to be built on this that are going to have valuations like this? That's what I'm starting to think about. So if you're getting value from these videos that are of a different type, where I'm talking about ways to make money other than just waiting for Bitcoin to go up, then you really should join. You should really jump. You should just go watch the video below. I promise you that's going to really help you. And I'm going to build a community. I'm going to build I'm going to put videos in here in this beautiful place that are talking about concepts like this, because the whole goal at the end of the day, guys, and for you and your family is to make money, right? I personally don't give a shit. I have never cared about crypto. I have never cared about any of this stuff that much. The only thing I really care about is making money. And I think that's what you care about too. Is that too bad? Is that bad to say online? Sorry if I said the quiet part out loud. Oh my God, we're in it for the crypto. We're in it for the technology. No, we're fucking not. We are here to make money. And if you appreciate that, smash the like button. Go check out the link below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Peace.